So do you hate having to throw away all your bananas just because they went off after a few days of buying them? And of course, you're tired of making banana bread and you just can't do anything with them. They are off, they are black, they are not nice, they are just not looking great. So I've got a solution for you. I've been struggling with that, having to throw away my bananas, but I've got the trick today. So check out this video and I hope that it helps you. I'm having a smoothie in the meantime. Enjoy! So guys, what you're gonna need is your bananas and a cling wrap. So we're going to separate all these bananas. So you're gonna separate them. Make sure that you're careful. So apparently this trick works, guys. This helps to keep your bananas fresh for longer. So you're gonna need a bit of cling wrap. So you don't need to take too much of it. So even this little bit can work. So what you're gonna do is to tie the tip of each banana. So the trick about all of this is to not separate the bananas, but if they're separate like this, you can do this with plastic. So we're gonna do that for all of them. As you can see at this point, some of the bananas are still green. So we wanna keep them fresh for longer. We can't keep wasting, guys. Imagine having to either make banana bread or throw your bananas away just because they did not. Excuse my nails, guys. So fam, there you go. All my bananas are now wrapped in plastic. So we're gonna package them nicely. So guys, this is 5 or 6 days, yeah, 6 days after I've tried this method, and by the look of things it actually does work, because I've actually had one banana and it wasn't off, though you can see that they are now almost getting dark and all that, but the banana still looks great. I can just open one and show you. Okay. So look at it, it still looks fine. So I recommend you try this method where you separate all the bananas and put a bit of plastic on each, and yeah, you will not regret it. Now I can still enjoy my bananas. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Do share this if you enjoyed it, and yeah, comment and like this video. Thank you. Bye. I hope that you enjoyed that little pluck. So let me enjoy my smoothie. In the meantime, you can check out my next video.
Lom to